Hey guys, Mike Pranks on YouTube here. I know I changed my name from that diecast guy Mike. I'm gonna do an update video on our 2007 Pontiac G6. As you guys remember, this car, very popular on my channel, but something's wrong with it, and we do not know what's wrong with it exactly. So, and I'm back, by the way. Yeah, as you can see, the tires is flat. It's been sitting for about a month, and the battery is dead, and we think it's like an electrical short. I'll show you what's wrong with it, how it won't start. No start. So if any of you guys know, what's wrong with it, put it in the comments below. There's no power to the car at all. I mean, the electrical was all screwed up in it, like the locks kept going up and down, and the tires flat on this side. You can see that. Yeah, it's been sitting for a month. My next video will be about the coronavirus. My response to this coronavirus BS. So yeah, that's what's wrong with our 2007 G6. We replaced the spark plugs on this and that, but it still won't start. If you guys have any ideas what it could be, post it in the comments below.